Hey guys, let's see how to back up your iPhone to the iCloud. You just need to come here to the settings and then tap on your picture. And here you see the iCloud information and the storage available. In my case, I have 50 gigabytes. So I tap here on iCloud and I can check the storage. And here I see all the information of the backup files and how much storage I still have available. And you can change your plan here and buy more storage if you want to. In my case, I have 50 gigabytes for only 99 cents. So it's pretty good for me. So I just come back here and I can check which is being backed up. You see here all the apps that I have, and you can just select which one you want. Let me just come back one more time here, and you see that I have saved the cloud. I just tap on it, and here I see the photos, the iCloud Drive, the iCloud email, and everything else that I have enabled here. You just need to toggle everything that you want, and you're good to go to save everything into the iCloud. And you can have also automatic backup for your devices. If you come down here, you see that I have iCloud backup 1 day ago for my iPhone. And I can also check other devices like my iPad. So I just need to come here and select the device that I want and check the last backup, the backup size, and all the apps that are being backed up. So super simple. And that's the way you can have your iPhone backup to the iCloud. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.